Hello children, let's continue the shapes which we are learning in the previous class, right? We have already started the exercise 1 and we finished the first bit. That match the figures with the objects I have gave you. I hope you have already solved. As I told in the previous class, the shapes or the plane shapes, what we call, we have the shapes. Which are the shapes we have learned? First one is the square, rectangle, triangle and circle. These shapes have another name also. We call these shapes as plane shapes. We call this as, what are the names for these four shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle and circle. We call these shapes as a plane shapes. Or also one more name is there, we will call that as a flat shapes. We will call this as flat shapes or plane shapes, and they vary in different shapes and sizes. Now in the second main we have the shapes. We need to identify which are the similar in sizes, which looks similar. We already know how they differ in sizes. Now coming to the exercise 2. What they are asking here, pick the shapes with the same sizes, right? You need to pick the shapes with same size. Now see your book and tell me. First one, many circles are there. Which two circles are similar? First one, second one is little big, third one also little, and fourth one. Which two are looking same here? You need to identify which two are same. By seeing you can tell first one and fourth one. I have drawn by hand, so it may vary little slight. Here first one and last one circles, you can observe in your textbook, they look similar, right? Like this you can see the second one also. Second one we have squares. Second one we have squares. Which two squares are looking similar? Second and fourth. Like this, which one is looking similar? You need to tick on that shape. Now remaining two, you can solve that. Coming to the next topic, we have straight lines and number of various types of straight lines. Okay, there are two types of lines. When you draw the line, you will get two types. First one is the straight line we call, right? First one will be straight line, and one more, what will be the other one? Curved line. First one is a straight line, second one is a curved line. Now what are the types again? How do we draw the straight lines? Straight line, in this straight line also we have three types. What are those three types? In straight line, first straight line will be standing line, right? First one is standing line. How will you start the standing line? Like this. The straight line, how we will stand? Like that also the line will stand. That one is a standing line. What is the second type? We will write sleeping line. How do we sleep? We sleep on a bed, right? Here also the line is sleeping. That is a sleeping line. Can you identify which one is the third one? We will write. Next one is slanting line. Slanting line. If you go to some park to play in evening, you will slide on a slider, right? Like this. See? This one is a slanting line, like cross. Or you can also draw this side. From left to right or right to left, that one is a slanting line. These are the standing line, sleeping line and slanting line are the three types of, which one? Three types of a straight line. But in curved line, we don't have any types. For the curved line, you can directly write. How does the curved line look? Like this or this one, or else you can draw like this. Curved line comes, or letter C also you can write, alphabet C, or this one. Curved line means other than straight, it will be having ups and downs. Okay, ups and downs will be having. These are the curved lines. Okay children, now you can write it down. These are the types we will draw with the lines. Now coming to the textbook, you can identify. We have exercise 3. Which are the alphabets or the numbers drawn with a straight line and curved lines? We should remember the types of the lines we have discussed. Straight line and curved line. Again types in straight line. Exercise 3. First one. Tick the straight lines. Among there are 4 questions. A, B, C, now tell me which are the straight lines. We need to tick the straight line. Identify and pick the straight lines. Which are the straight lines? First one, is this a straight line? See, is this a straight line? Not. So this is not a straight line, no need to tick. Then coming to the second one, is this a straight line? Is this a straight line? Yes. Which type of a straight line can you tell me? This is a slanting line, right? This is a slanting line, slanting straight line. So tick for this second one. This is a straight line. And third one, is this a straight line? Yes, this is a standing line. That one is a standing line. And coming to the D, you can observe like this it is. So this is not a straight line. This is a curved line. This is curved line. And coming to the E. This one is also a curved line, and F, of course, this is a straight line, and also you can say that is a slanting straight line. Like this, you can identify which is straight and which is curved. Coming to the second main. Second main we have. Which of these are made up of straight lines only? Which of these are made up of straight line only? number 1, 3, alphabet A, capital B, and capital C. Now tell me which of these are made up of straight lines only. Only it should be having straight lines. Either it may be standing or sleeping or slanting. Out of these three, it should be of any one without the curved line. If you observe first one, is this a straight line? Yes. Here only straight lines are there, no curved lines. And 3, you can observe you have a curved line. So don't tick. Now alphabet A, this is a slanting and this is sleeping. So this is made up of only straight lines. Now B, yes, it is not made up of only straight. You can see here these two are the curved lines. And this one, yes, of course, that is also made up of curved ones. Only 1 and A are made up of straight lines. In the similar way, you can see the second one. Which of these are made up of curved lines only? Put the cross mark on it. Let's see here, you need to search only for the curve without straight line. Only curve we want. Only curved lines. Now see and tell me, only curved, no straight line. Number 6, yes, it is having only curved. Number 7, it is not. So tick mark, not into mark we need to write. This one, no. And this, if you see here, we have one straight line. So this is not a curved one. And coming to the alphabet, yes, it is having only curve. And of course, U is also having only curve. Here, number 6, S and U are the 3 numbers or alphabets which are having only curved lines. Like this you need to identify. Then the third means C. What they are asking? Which of these are made up of both curved and straight lines? Draw a circle around them. Both curved and straight. We need to draw a circle around them. First one is 2, 4, alphabet E, G and J. Both straight and curved. We need to draw a circle around that number or alphabet. Now see number 2. We want both curved and straight line. Both curved and straight lines. Is number 2 having curved and straight both? Is it having both? Yes. From here to here it is a curved and from here it is a straight. So this is one we want. And number 4. Can you look any curved line in number 4? Not. So number alphabet E, here also we don't have any curve. Coming to the G, from here to here we have curved and here we have a straight line. So this is a curved one. And alphabet J, from here to here we have straight and here it is curved. J also you can circle. So wherever you go, you will be having straight line and curved lines. Now we finished straight line and curved line and solid shapes. Let's see in the next class. Till now what we finished? We finished the plane figures, which are square, rectangle, triangle and circle, and types of lines we have finished. In the next class we will start the solid shapes. Okay children, thank you.